Hi there. Today I'll be showing you what Guanjun and I have done so far for our project. What you see here is the game webpage we have been working on for the past few weeks. As we have not coded CSS yet, the webpage does seem a little dull. Basically, when users come onto the page, they have various genres to choose from to access the different games. Right now, we will dwell deeper into the various games they are able to play on our webpage. First of all, we have created 9 different mystery cases under the detective genre. The detective genre was the main idea we based our webpage upon when we began Orbital. Hence, our project title, Minystery. So what you see here is basically the storyline of how the mystery unfolds. The user will be able to derive clues as he or she reads the story. At the end, he or she will have to make a guess of what the answer is. These answers will come in the form of a radio input or multiple radio inputs depending on the question. In the event the user gets the answer wrong, there will be an alert pop up telling the user he or she did not manage to get the correct answer. And he or she will decide whether a hint should be used or not. If the user clicks on the hint, there will be another prompt pop up to provide the user with more clues to derive the correct answer. In the event that the user gets the answer correct, we have also provided the explanation of how the answer was derived, as we wanted to ensure that the user follows the right train of thought in obtaining the correct answer, instead of just randomly guessing. Upon getting the right answer, the user will be redirected back to the main page, when he or she can click the OK button. Next, to diversify our web page to attract a larger audience, we have also incorporated other genres of games, such as mathematics and guessing game. We got the idea of making the games more interesting after looking through various web page JavaScript mini games on the internet. First up, we have 2 different guessing games in the form of Hangman. The first one is a simple guess the phrase game where users just have to click letters to see if they can guess the phrase. We have created an array to store the possible phrases. This will ensure that every time they play this game, it will be a different phrase. The next Hangman game is more interesting. It allows them to choose between 2 categories, country or capital. Upon getting the right answers, user will then be informed of the statistics and facts of the country or capital, allowing them to gain more general knowledge. We got all the information off Wikipedia and stored them in arrays. For our mathematics genre, we have JavaScript-enabled games where numbers will fall down from the top of the screen. The objective of the game is to prevent any numbers from reaching the bottom of the screen. We also have a simple beat the clock mental problem sums where users are given a minute to solve as many problem sums as possible. Lastly, we have the mind-boggling Magic Squares game, where users have to move the numbers around to form a square of consecutive numbers. The number of moves is recorded for each attempt. From now till splashdown, we aim to beautify the web page using CSS to make it more user-friendly and appealing to the eye. We also target to allow users to create their personal account when they come onto the web page. The account will serve as a log for them to track the high scores they have achieved for each of the categories, allowing them to see their progress over the past few attempts at the individual games.